Healing from pornography addiction has a comprehensive approach, and Islamic principles offer valuable guidance. Here is a detailed, Islam-based guide to help you overcome pornography addiction and repair your mind. Step 1. Seek forgiveness and guidance. Recognize that seeking help is a sign of strength and ask Allah for forgiveness and guidance. Recite the Quranic verse, and whoever does evil or wrongs themselves, but afterwards seeks Allah's forgiveness, they will find Allah oft forgiving, most merciful. 4-110. Step 2. Accountability and support. Share your struggles with a trusted friend, family member, or Islamic counselor for support and encouragement. Join online forums or local support groups for individuals struggling with pornography addiction. Step 3. Purify your environment. Remove access to pornographic content and avoid situations that may trigger cravings. Fill your surroundings with Islamic literature, lectures, and reminders to strengthen your faith. Step 4. Develop a routine. Engage in regular prayer, recite the Quran, and practice mindfulness to cultivate self-awareness. Set aside time for self-reflection and journaling to monitor your progress. Step 5. Seek knowledge. Study Islamic teachings on modesty, chastity, and the dangers of pornography. Learn about the importance of guarding one's gaze and the consequences of indulging in pornography. Step 6. Mindfulness and self-care. Engage in physical activities, meditation, and self-reflection to manage stress and cravings. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that setbacks are opportunities for growth. Step 7. Marital guidance. If married, seek counseling with your spouse to strengthen your relationship and overcome challenges together. Work on building a healthy and fulfilling marital relationship. Step 8. Dua and supplication. Regularly recite Islamic supplications and prayers seeking protection and guidance. Recite the Quranic verse, and those who strive in our cause, we will surely guide them to our paths. 29-69. Step 9. Patience and perseverance. Understand that overcoming pornography addiction is a gradual process and be patient with yourself as you work towards recovery. Remind yourself that every step forward is a success, no matter how small. Step 10. Seek professional help. If needed, seek professional counseling or therapy to address underlying issues and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Remember, overcoming pornography addiction requires time, effort, and support. With persistence and faith, you can repair your mind and develop a healthier, more fulfilling relationship with yourself and others. Additional resources, online support groups and forums, Islamic counseling services, Quranic recitation, and Islamic lectures, self-help books and articles on overcoming pornography addiction. May Allah guide and support you on your journey towards recovery and spiritual growth.